Hi and welcome everyone. We are here at another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, where we have a discussion with prominent dignitaries in the education sector. Today, we would like to welcome Mr. Naveen Soni, who is the director of International School of Design, Kolkata. Welcome, Mr. Naveen Soni.
Thank you, Shobik. Thank you, everyone.
I hope you're having a great day.
Yeah.
Mr. Naveen, the first thing that I would want to ask you is what motivated you to get into the education sector? What was the main motivating factor behind it?
Let me frankly, Shobik, I'm in a jewelry field.
Yes.
Basically, I have also my own business of jewelry, of diamond jewelry.
Okay.
So, what problem I am facing in practical life, whenever I require for a designer, whenever I require for a QC, I'm not getting the proper person who actually ready for the industry.
Okay.
The idea behind of this कि ना मैंने सोचा कि जब why not we can start the manufacturing of the people who have really own talent and can create something innovative ideas. They have innovative ideas. They can change things. So the industry really required lots of things. Okay, so this is the main idea. Actually, first I am facing the problem. I did not get right candidate or right person who are ready for the industry in jewelry sector. I'm telling you in jewelry sector.
Yes.
And after 3 years, before 3 years, I'm facing the same problem. Then I think let we start to get the talent. People who really have innovative ideas. How can I find? Lots of people having lots of things. But the thing is that if they does not get the right platform now,
Yes.
तो खत्म हो जाती है. So then I thinking कि let's हम लोग खुद का start करते हैं and the education never stop.
Understood. So you found a gap in the industry of talented people in the jewelry area, which is what motivated you. That's great to hear. So Mr. Naveen Soni, being the director of International School of Design, what are your ideas on leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Like my ideas and I'm telling every of my student कि whatever talent you have, just whatever talent you have in your mind, just उसको बाहर निकालो because we are becoming innovative. Like we also as a jeweler in my industry, I was the first person who innovated the fusion jewelry. In London. Okay, so I'm the first person who made the fusion jewelry. I myself proudly say to I will innovated the fusion jewelry. So make your talent. कॉपी पेस्ट का जमाना नहीं है आज की डेट में. आपका जो अपना राइट टैलेंट है आप उसको बाहर निकालो. डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू समथिंग वन डे. अगर आप किसी भी डिजाइनर का अगर बैकग्राउंड देखते हो ना, इवन आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड विद सब्यसाची. Now he comes in the jewelry industry also.
Yes.
Have his own jewelry store in Mumbai, Delhi. So किसी भी बड़े डिजाइनर का या किसी भी बड़े आदमी का बैकग्राउंड अगर देखोगे, he was start from the zero, the basic ground level. So if you have a talent, definitely, if you have innovative ideas, definitely you can do something.
Understood.
So always अपने टैलेंट को हमेशा बाहर निकाल के चलो. whatever you are thinking कि ना नहीं कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो make a पेपर पे उसको नोट करके चलो हमेशा कि आपने क्या सोचा था और जो आपने सोचा था उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करो.
Understood. That's really great to hear, Mr. Naveen Soni. So next question I have for you is, being the director of International School of Design, how do you plan, when it comes to the marketing of the college and, promoting your college so that people can know about it? What are the channels that you use? What are the methods that you use?
Basically, the channel we are using, it's a social media platform. Whatever we are doing, we can put in the social media. People can know about what our achievement. If you think about, if you want to know about the achievement, in 2018 we have opened our institute on 2018 in Kolkata Center. The Kolkata Center was opened in 2018 August, and 2018 October we made the longest necklace of India.
Yes,
that is
I've read it.
Kasumala of India. हम लोगों को इंडिया बुक्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड से भी उस चीज का वी गॉट द सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम इंडिया बुक्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. Simultaneously, we got the certificate from Limca Books of Record. It's a record attempt actually.
Yes.
We are, what we are doing. We are doing we are giving our students to more and more practical experience. Theoretical is 100%. We are giving the theoretical knowledge, but not only the theoretical. We are focusing on practical because in every industry, the practical is the most important thing.
Yes, absolutely.
So whatever we are doing now, we can just put in the social media, and whatever we are doing, like simultaneously we have a 2 awardee student of National Jewelry Award.
Okay.
Get the student of the year.
Okay.
They get the award in 2018. One of our students, Mrs. Sonia Soni, she got the award. In 2009, Mrs. Seema Bhuvna, she got the award student of the year. It's one of the most prestigious award in our industry.
Okay.
National Jewelry Award.
That's great.
So, and one more thing, the both award was given to the lady. They are not a girl; they are housewives.
Okay.
And they their own talent. Okay, so they have their own talent. They are innovative. So we given the platform to them. Yes, you have an innovation, and definitely you can do something.
Yes, I totally agree. With that, sir. The next question that I have for you, Mr. Naveen Soni, is that what can an inbound student gain from specifically your college that an inbound student would really gain after coming to your college?
Actually, I can't hear you properly. Can you please repeat the question?
Yes, just give me 1 second. Audible?
It's cracking actually.
Okay, I will just give it a minute. Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Naveen Soni, the question for you is, what can an inbound student gain from coming into your college? What can they learn from your college?
It's like in our college, in our institute, basically we make, what we do, the bonding between the student and faculties. It's the most important thing. They are not just faculties. Now, after then, they are become a member. They are become their mentors. So whatever during this lockdown, I'm telling you one thing: our study or our classes does not stop. Okay. This is none of our students had missed their classes.
Okay.
This is a bonding. Okay.
Yes, absolutely agree.
They have a good bonding with the faculties, with the colleagues, with the others, classmates. They are during this pandemic period, our students have done the very good project of Durga Puja. They are celebrating Durga Puja in virtually. Like some of students are doing the dancing because they have a bonding with each other.
Yes,
so it's a complete. They have become an INSD and they are the family. Actually, they are the family. They have a good bonding with the faculties and with the other students and with the management also.
That's great to hear, and great to hear the personal touch.
We are listening. We are listening the every problem of every student. Okay. Every student. We are counseling them if they are having they are getting some trouble in their project. We can help them to increase your project, how to implement your project, how to do your project, everything. Whatever assessment they want from us, we are ready to do them every day at any time.
That's really great to hear. So the next question that I have for you is, specifically looking into the design industry, how much important is having an industry-ready experience during studying the course, and what is the institute doing in order to make sure the students are getting the industry experience?
This is very good question, Shobik.
Thank you.
Actually, the student having the knowledge of the industry, what is going on?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? In designing sector, what is the trending design? What people are doing, the other players, what they are doing. Okay,
yes.
Something what happened, I am thinking one thing and the other player already made them because
yes.
किसी के भी दिमाग में आ सकता है.
Exactly.
Okay, so the more and the practical experience is the most important thing in designing sector.
Yes, absolutely.
Whenever you want to implement your design, you have to know, is it practically possible or not?
Understood.
it's only possible if you have a practical knowledge, if you have a technical, then you can then your every design should be become a practical.
Yes, agreed.
So we always give our student to industry experts are coming there, or industry visit are there. So we are given the practical knowledge of what is the basically requirement of designing sector, what is the basically requirement of the designing sector, and what we are providing. We are providing everything. But one thing you have to learn whatever you are learning. Just think of whatever you are designing. Just think about this is practically possible or not.
Understood. So, Mr. Naveen Soni, you mentioned, in a previous answer that despite the COVID situation, education did not stop, right? So, I would want to understand what were the processes and what were the changes that you implemented in the institute in order to ensure that the education did not stop.
The process we have maintained, we are maintaining, and right now we are not doing any classes in our institute. All classes going on the Microsoft apps. And the backend team is working there. The faculties are working there. They are working day and night every day. Because whatever class they are taking, it's a duration of 2 hours. But for that 2 they are preparing 6 hours.
Yes.
So we are making every safety measures. Like we after the lockdown, we can install the sanitizer station. We can use in our office. Everyone are using the masks. We are maintaining the social distancing. We are sanitizing our premises every once in a week. And the classes, what the process here, when we declared the lockdown is going on. Before the lockdown, we closed our 17th of the March. We closed the lockdown is declared on 22nd, I think.
Yes.
We closed by 17th. When we are closing now, we decided that whatever classes we are doing right now, we don't know what the circumstances will happen. So we are prepared on 17th. If any happened, so what is our next action plan?
Understood.
So we started online classes, and the students are doing very well.
That's really
I'm
great.
telling you one thing: the present ratio during the class when the regular classes are going held is 98% or 94%.
Okay.
But during online classes, it was going 100% or 99%. One student was.
All right. So the attendance increased despite the lockdown. More people were attending.
Increased.
Yes, that's really great. Understood. That's really great to hear. Yeah. The next question that I have for you is a bit of a philosophical question. So I want to understand your insights on what can an institute do in order to make incoming students who are from different races or different backgrounds feel more welcome.
Actually, I get your question. Again, your voice is cracking, Sophie.
Shall I repeat it? Is it better now?
Please tell me something.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Please tell me.
All right. So the question that I have for you is a bit of a philosophical question. I want to understand what can an institute do in order to make students from different races, different backgrounds, different economic backgrounds feel more welcome, so that they can, feel at home and they can bond with everyone else. What can an institute do?
Shopik, for this question, I will give you the answer in single line. Yes. And I do everything as a INSD. I'm a director, but I always learning there. If any student having any talent now, so I'm really welcome them. Yes, you are doing something good.
Yes.
Last National Jewelry Award, I'm just giving the example. In last National Jewelry Award, one of our students has made a very good design. Okay, that I will show you after the meeting.
Sure.
Okay, so we are welcoming every student, not as a student, as a family member of INSD Kolkata team.
Understood.
Okay, because right now they are student, after the learning they are becoming an entrepreneur, or they are becoming a designer, or they are doing some great job.
Yes. Understood. So, Mr. Naveen Soni, I want to understand Now, what do you feel should be the institute's first priority for the next 5 years?
Well, our first priority to give the best education for educational reason, to give the to everyone, people who are not affording. We have a scholarship program also. Okay, and people who are not afford the program, we are going to offer the education loan also. We are going to tie up with some various bank. So people who really wants to do something, so we are ready to do everything for them. We have a scholarship also to be like for any, we are following. Echoing the voice of our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, Atmanirbharta.
Yes, yes.
I just want to tell you that everybody having something good talent inside them. If people they are interested, if really they have a passion of that particular field, so we are ready to give them the platform, because we have a very good placement partners. We have a very good training. We have around 30 or 35 training partners in various stream. We have a placement partners. We have a 100% job assessment for degree students. So lots of things are there. Shopping.
Understood. That's great. That's really great to hear. So, Mr. Naveen Soni, being the director of, in the International School of Design, Kolkata, what do you feel are your roles and responsibilities towards the students and the institute?
Like towards the student, I'm telling you, as an institute, my roles and responsibilities, this scheme, not of my say, any of my students have become after completing their course, they will get the good job of they really want to do something like they want to become a good designer, they want to become an entrepreneur. So I'm always there. If they are not my student, I don't mind. I'm always there. Whatever experience I have, whatever connection I have, I always put that connection and experience for them.
Understood. So the next question that I have for you is, would you like to share anything about your institute with the viewers that they might not know? Anything unique or anything special about your institute that you would want to share with everyone?
INSG Kolkata is our most premium or one of the best institute of East India. Okay, and here we are offering all the three courses: jewelry designing, fashion designing, and interior designing. And we are the only, we are the institute which are providing the more practical knowledge compared to the theoretical knowledge.
Understood.
We are really focusing on the more practical knowledge, because if you really want to do something, then you have to know the practical knowledge.
Yes.
Everything.
Understood. So the next question that I have for you is, what do you feel are the biggest challenges in the design industry? Specifically in terms of design industry, what do you feel are the biggest challenges in the future or maybe currently as well?
You have to aware every day. You have to know what is the trending designs are going on, what others are doing. You just leave that thinking what other players. No need to go for a copy paste. Okay, whatever talent you have, whatever you are seeing, somebody is seeing the rainbow. I'm telling you a very silly example. On that farm time, somebody has seen the rainbow, and they made the jewelry designing for the rainbow. Whatever I'm seeing, and it was a very hit design.
Yes.
So whatever you think, whatever idea, just create your own ideas, dream. You can dream. What my tagline of my lab: your dream, we design.
Yes.
This is my tagline: your dream, we design. So I'm telling to my every student, if you really want to do something in this industry, so you have to follow this tagline. You dream, we design.
That's really inspiring.
Whatever people are dreaming, if you are designing, definitely you can, you can feel them very proudly.
Yes, absolutely. That was really inspiring answer, Mr. Naveen Soni. The next question that I have for you, and again is a very philosophical question, is the last question that I have for you. What advice would you want to give to the aspiring students or students who would want to enter the designing area? What are some advices you would want to give them? Maybe they can prepare themselves accordingly.
A simple advice. Again, I am repeating my answer. Maybe it was a repeated answer. Whatever you are thinking, no need to follow any other players. whatever you are thinking, whatever innovation you have, just through your talent, just explain the design, explain your emotions, explain your mind throughout the design only. And whatever design you are making, whatever design you are doing, just think it is practically implementable or not. So always you are making the design now. So always remember one thing key, and practically it was possible or not. If it was really practically possible, then it's become a very good. Because sometimes what happen whenever I'm taking the interview of jewelry designer, so I really inspired with the designs and all everything. But the thing is that the art is very good.
Yes.
The art is drawing are very good. If as a drawing, as a design or as a drawing, I am thinking it was, but practically it was not implementable. It was possible to implement them. So I always suggestion to every designer ki whatever design you are making now, to just practicality and go with the practicality.
Understood.
The most important thing.
So keep practicality in mind. That is the main thing, right?
Yeah.
Understood. Thank you for your time. I think you have given us some really insightful ideas, and your thoughts have been really insightful for people who are interested in the design industry and are curious about the design industry. I'm really happy that I could have a discussion with you today. I would really like to thank you, Mr. Naveen Soni.
Thank you.
It was
Shobhit.
great talking to you.